Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so what the date today?
Today is 5th of July, sir.
Yes, okay. Of July, okay.
Yes, sir.
So our subject is
Economics, sir.
yes. And what is the main topic we have been discussing?
Food
Yes, food security.
in India.
Yeah, in India, okay. So do you remember the subtopic last in the last class we discussed? Huh? Okay. So in the last class we discussed about food insecure, okay? Food insecure, okay.
insecure.
Yes, who are okay? Who
Ramu.
yes come under food insecure. So today we are going to discuss the same topic, okay?
Yes,
Food insecure,
sir.
food continues, okay. Food insecure, okay. Okay. So just okay, recapitulate, okay?
Yes, sir.
What do we discuss in the last class? So just to recapitulate for your benefits, okay? So as I told you, we saw that who were okay, food insecure, okay. So what do you understand? Just in your own words, what do you understand by food insecure?
Food insecure means uh, lack of food, sir. There is no
Yes.
food for the future use.
Yes, lack of
Food.
yes, okay, lack of food, okay. Then what else?
Lack of food. Insufficient of food.
Yes, same thing, okay, insufficient, okay. So, okay, that means people are not okay, having enough food, okay,
Yes,
not
sir.
nutritious food, okay, that quality is not there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is why we say food insecure. That includes everything, okay. Either
Yes,
you
sir.
don't have enough money to buy quality food,
Yes,
or
sir.
there in a country there is not much production of those quality crops or food, okay, or
Yes,
not
sir.
imported, or country is also not able to afford to buy, okay, for the people, okay, of a particular country, okay. So today we'll see, okay, one of the this one what do we say indicators, okay, uh, that indicates food insecure, okay, that one of the okay factors that indicates okay food insecure, okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
one of them is okay, one of them is hunger, okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, hunger. So okay, this is okay, so I will okay read out that okay slide, okay. So hunger is another aspect indicating food insecurity. What is
Yes,
that?
sir. Food
Hunger,
insecurity.
okay, food insecurity. Why there is a okay hunger in a country? Because there is
Because
not
there
much
is
production,
no.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Lack of
Food.
food, yes, great, so, okay. So hunger is not just an expression of poverty, okay? It brings about poverty. So what does it say? It is not just about
Poverty.
expression of poverty. But then what happens? But this it brings about poverty. That means it reveals the situation of the country. Okay, how poor the condition of the country, how many poor people are living. Okay,
Yes,
or
sir.
the country not able to provide. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that means poverty, okay. Okay, so here the attainment of food security therefore involves eliminating current hunger and reducing the risks of future hunger, okay. So the attainment of food security, that means what does food security includes, means what the purpose of food security.
To have, I mean, to say, secure the life, sir, in the
Yes, yes,
for the
very
future.
good. Fantastic. That means to okay make actually available, okay,
Yes, sir.
available of enough quality foods
Yes,
in a
sir.
country, okay, for the people to okay produce more so that people will not go to bed without having enough food. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that means that the main purpose of food security, okay, to eliminate current hunger or okay reduce the risk of other in future, so that there will not be any hunger in the years to come. Okay, people
Yes,
will not
sir.
go without eating food. Okay, so we'll see hunger has chronic and seasonal dimensions. Okay, chronic means one after the another. Okay, sequence.
Yes, sir.
Sequence. Okay, one by one. Okay. So chronic hunger is a consequence of diets persistently inadequate in terms of quantity and or quality. I told you,
Yes,
that
sir.
means it includes quality. Okay, quality food. There is okay. Okay, we have okay large amount of what? Large amount of okay product this one grains, but then if there is no quality, no protein in those grains, then
Because of the hybrid and all, sir.
yes. So if only quantity is there, if there is no quality, is there any use?
No use,
Yes,
sir.
will not be. So poor people suffer from chronic hunger because of their very low income and in turn inability to buy food even for survival. So what do we
Yes,
see
sir.
here? Here what do we see here? Poor people are mostly who are suffering?
Poor people,
Poor
sir.
people. Why? Because they do not have.
Good food, sir.
Yes, the good food they were okay. I like it definitely, but then they don't have enough. They are not able to buy actually. Okay. They are not able to buy what? Quality food.
Quality food,
Yes.
good food.
Because they are not having enough money. Okay.
Yes,
They
sir.
are not having enough money. Okay. So just so they are just able to okay, just they are able to buy just to survival. Okay. They are not having enough. So okay. So seasonal hunger is related to cycles of food growing and harvesting. What is that? Seasonal hunger is related to what? Cycles of food growing and harvesting. So okay, let us see okay what that means. Okay, so especially what is which areas of people suffer especially from this seasonal hunger?
Rural areas, sir.
Yes, very much. So it says this is prevalent in rural areas because of the seasonal nature of agricultural activities. So as I told you, so season. Okay, so we saw that. Okay, who was working actually? Ramu. Ramu
Ramu.
was working in the field of whom? Satpal
Sarpanch.
Singh. Sarpanch, yes, Satpal Singh. Okay,
Yes,
and he was
sir.
working there. Okay, so 4 months we saw that 4 months he was food insecure. 4 months he did not get anything because at that time uh, crops were okay, getting matured. Okay, so that time he was food insecure. Okay, so because in okay year maybe 4 5 months only people can work. Okay, so another 6 months they are helpless. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that is what. Okay, so there is okay. In urban areas, because of causal laborers, example, there is less work for causal contribution, construction labors during the rainy season. So what happens in urban areas, especially in rainy season? Do they suppose construction works is continued or discontinued? If there is heavy rain, do you think that construction goes on?
No, sir.
No. So there sometimes they stop. Okay. So at that time in urban area, those who are suppose okay, there is okay building construction, and if it is okay rainy season and it is stopped. So do you think they will get money? They will not
No,
get.
sir. They
No,
will not
no
get,
what?
sir.
No money.
No
Okay.
money, sir.
So that is what this means. So at that time, this type of hunger exists when a person is unable to get work for the entire year. Okay.
Yes,
So if he is
sir.
not getting a person is not getting a fees in the urban areas where he used to work, especially like building construction, other constructions, and if there is no that construction, it doesn't. If that construction doesn't continue, that means he is helpless, jobless, no money. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the percentage of seasonal as well as chronic hunger has declined in India as shown in the above table in above table. Okay, so we'll see okay afterwards. So the table I will explain to you all. Okay, that will help you to understand better. Okay,
Yes,
So, India is aiming at self-sufficiency in food grains since independence. Okay, so before independence, that means we are liking of food. Okay,
food,
enough food grains. We did not have much production before independence. Okay,
yes,
so okay, let us see. So okay, after independence, India policymakers adopted all measures to achieve self-sufficiency in food grains. So what they do? The government, okay, people, okay, the government of a country, what did it do? Actually, they adopted that all sorts of measures that will increase to have more grains. Okay,
yes,
to make it India self
sufficient.
sufficient. Yes. So India adopted a new strategy in agriculture. So we see here what a new strategy in the field of what? The field of agriculture. Okay,
Yes,
which resulted in green revolution, especially in the production of wheat and rice.
rice.
So this is okay, green revolution. So it is okay adapted because in order to have more production of grains. Okay, wheat and rice especially. Okay.
Yes,
So we see here Indira Gandhi, the Prime Minister of India, okay, officially recorded the impressive strides of green revolution in agriculture by releasing a special stamp entitled White Revolution in July 1968. So what did she do? Especially she gave name for that green revolution in agriculture by releasing a special stamp, and that was titled what? Wheat Revolution in July 1968. Okay.
yes,
So this was done for what? To eliminate hunger and poverty. Okay.
yes,
Okay. So we said the success of wheat was later okay replicated in rice. Okay. So afterwards they same thing they implemented in what? In the production of rice. Okay.
rice.
The increase in food grains was, however, disproportionate. The highest rate of growth was achieved in Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, which was 44.01 and 30.21 million tons in 2015 and 16. The total food grains production was 252.22 million tons in 2015 and 16, and it has changed to 275.68 million tons in 2016 and 17. So there is okay gradual growth. Okay, we saw okay in the early okay in the year of 15 and 16 it was only 252.22 okay million tons, but what we see in 2016 and 17 it has increased to what 275.68 million tons in okay 2017 16 and 17. Okay, so Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh recorded a significant production in the field of wheat, which was okay 26.87 and 17.69 million tons in 2015 and 16 respectively. Okay,
Yes,
West Bengal and UP on the other hand recorded significant production of rice. Okay, 15.75 and 12.51 million tons in 15 and 16 respectively. Okay, so we see okay 15.75 was West Bengal and then 12 was Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so you can see here students, this is the sign of okay, this is the
Yes,
sign of okay people are how they are going without eating food, they are not having, so it indicates what, this is a food insecure. Okay,
insecure, sir.
yes, they are not having enough food. Okay, liking good quality food. So you see here green revolution. Okay, I told you that green revolution the main purpose of this was to have more grains. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so I think this is okay, we'll end our class now. So before that I would like to ask some questions. Okay, yes students.
Yes, sir.
So okay, why was there green revolution in India?
Because of the lack of food, sir,
Yes,
they
fantastic
wanted
answer.
to increase the production, sir. That's why.
Yes, you're right, 100% right, because we're lacking
Food.
quality food and we did not have enough grains, okay, food, wheat and rice, so that is why it was okay implemented in order to increase the production, okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, okay, to have in abundance. Where is the seasonal hunger very much prevalent?
The rural areas, sir.
Yes, fantastic. So, especially in rural areas because of agriculture activities. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
agriculture activities, especially okay, like rainy season. Okay, they are okay involved. Then when paddy or wheat when they get mature, that time they are actually jobless. Okay, those who especially work in agriculture. Okay, involved in agriculture activities. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are not running short of time, dear students, or
Yes, sir. It's okay, sir.
okay. So, okay, before I end, okay, so I would like to give you, okay, some homework, okay. So, the home assignment is how many people go to actually, okay, missing, go to bed actually, okay, in your, okay, in your place or without enough food, okay. Write down in your own words, okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
okay, dear students, so can you just recapitulate just in 2 or 3 sentences, okay, before we end our class?
Yes, sir. So we need to have food secured, sir, for the future use
Yes.
because I mean, we don't have, the work all throughout the year, especially
Yes.
the farmers who are landless, who are working the agricultural field and all. So they get maybe only 4 months of work, then afterwards they are jobless, sir. So it is good to have food secured for the future use, sir.
Yes. So very good. So you have understood well. Okay. So
Yes,
today we'll
sir.
end our class. Okay. So thank you, dear students, and have a nice day. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Same to you, sir.